Sorry about the blinds. All the birdies are congregating at the seed tray in the snow. Spotted towhees, regular towhees, and multiple other birds. Sorry, I'm a little shaky. Have a good weekend, everyone. Love my birds.